Hey, what's up, guys? It's James Freeman out here at Denton Police Department, City Hall, and Courts. All activities monitored by a video camera. Good to know. What's up?
Sgt Briggs.
Hey, how you doing?
And you are? I'm recording you too, so
okay,
we're fine.
that's fine. I don't care to tell you who I am.
Just asking what you're doing.
All right.
In this day and age, when law enforcement is getting attacked, we have to ask questions. Please stay out of the street. It's a public street. I don't want you to get hit by a car. And now I'm going to tell you to get out of the street before I write you a ticket for pedestrian and road.
Are you threatening me right now, sir?
I'm telling you to stay out of the street. It's a public street.
I'm on a public walkway. Why don't you stop harassing me and get the hell out of here, Briggs?
Sir, it's a street.
What's your badge number?
3, 4.
Take a hike.
3, 4. You're in the streets. So
Take a hike.
I'm on a city-owned piece of property right now.
Quit trying to threaten me and boss me around.
I'm just telling you.
You think I'm going to put up with your... Do I look like the kind of guy that's going to put up with your bull crap?
Sir, I don't...
Do I look like the kind of guy who's going to put up with your bull crap? You're not worried one bit about my safety. Take a hike. I've made it. Listen, I've made it this far in my life without getting hit by any cars. I'll be fine without you.
Okay.
Go ahead and take a hike.
It's a public piece of property right here. It's the right of way. I'm going to stand in the right of way.
That's fine. You can follow me, stand wherever you want in the public area, but quit bossing me around and definitely quit threatening me.
I didn't threaten you.
You threatened to write me a ticket.
Yes.
In other words, you threatened to take money from me because you're upset that I wouldn't talk to you earlier.
No, I want you to stand.
All right, well, I'm at the end of the... No, that has nothing to do with it. Like I said, I made it this far in my life without getting hit by any cars. I'll be fine without you. Thanks for your help.
You're standing in a public street, sir. Please get out of the street. I don't want you to get hit by a car.
Weren't you told to leave? Where's your supervisor at? I've had enough of your harassment. Where's your supervisor?
In the building.
Go get him. Call him out.
Deputy Chief.
Call him out.
Deputy Chief Frank Patton.
Call him out.
You can go around.
I told you to get your supervisor. You do as you're told. Get your supervisor.
You can go in the front lobby and request to speak to Deputy Chief Frank Patton.
You don't obey very well, do you? Bad public servant. Go get your supervisor.
No, sir, I'm not.
When you're told to get your supervisor, it's your policy to do so. Trust me, I've seen your policies.
I will report it to him when I go inside.
I asked you to get your supervisor out here. Either that or you take a hike and stop harassing me. You want to follow me, that's fine, but stop threatening me. I've told you already before.
And I've told you repeatedly, please stay out of the streets.
No, shut the hell up. I can walk along the side of the street all I want.
There's certain rules about that.
No, there's not. Shut up.
It's called pedestrian and roadway when sidewalk not.
And you're just upset because I wouldn't talk to you a few minutes ago and you're threatening to write me a ticket for walking along the street.
I really don't care, sir.
Yeah, then take a hike, then get the hell out of here.
I don't have to.
If you don't care, then leave. Okay, don't threaten me again. Briggs, where is your supervisor at?
Deputy Chief Frank Patchett. Go around the front of the building, go in the front lobby, and ask to speak to Deputy Chief Patchett.
I think he's calling your supervisor for you.
Okay.
No? Hey, will you call his supervisor for me? He's refusing to get him.
I've told you how to contact
He doesn't have to? What the hell is wrong with you, son?
I'm not your son.
What the hell is wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with
Do you understand who you work for? We didn't hire you to threaten and abuse us. We hired you to serve us.
I haven't threatened
Quit
you.
walking around threatening and intimidating people.
I haven't threatened you.
All right. CJ. Can't have you guys armed out here. It's a police station.
What's going on, brother?
How you doing? Brent McCain.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I watch you all the time.
Sweet.
Oh, you haven't met him yet?
I have not met him in person. I have not.
Jim's a good guy. You live or you doing?
No, I'm just recording.
Okay, you can't record here.
Yeah, I know. The guy
police
back there
station.
just told me. And then he tried to write me a ticket for walking along the side of the road.
What?
Just now.
Really?
There's the warrant office. Oh, getting some video.
Oh, that's not good.
Sure it is.
Yeah, I'm doing a video.
What's that?
Did you say you're videoing?
Yeah.
Is it for fun or for school or?
For fun and for education.
Oh, okay. Well, carry on.
Thank you.
Good weekend.
Hey guys, it's James Freeman out here at Denton Police Department with News Now Houston.
Are you live?
No.
Okay.
No. Just my intro.
Yeah.
People get mad if I don't do my intro. I'm gonna get a shot right over here.
Legals? Please don't do that. It's your people's personal property. You should not know you're doing that. You don't have to make it any more difficult, okay? God bless and keep it moving.
Then police shouldn't be arresting
Y'all have a
citizens
blessed
without
day.
probable
May
cause.
God bless y'all. Keep y'all going, okay? Keep the
God
faith.
loves me.
Stay
God loves me.
positive.
God protects me.
Stay positive.
So I'm good. I'm positive.
Stay
I'm
positive.
positive that the Denton police
Okay.
should not be violating
Stay
people's
positive,
rights.
Sir, appreciate your support, and you keep doing what you do. God
I
bless y'all.
support,
Have a
I
good
support
day.
good police officers. I don't support criminals and thagers.